Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss few more NEET previous year questions. In the last session we have discussed some questions of NEET 2023. In this session also we are going to complete remaining questions. So the last session questions are very helpful to you, I think. So these are also going to be very helpful to you. Now the very first question of this session is, noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. Identify an incorrect statement about them. So this question is from the chapter noble gas elements, that is P block elements, right? So here he is asking the incorrect statement. The very first statement is, noble gases have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Yes, this is the correct statement. Because of their very small size, they have high ionization energy and high electron gain enthalpy values, right? So first one is correct. Noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Yes, noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Helium, neon, they can soluble in water, but not completely. Okay. And coming to the, because these are non-polar atomic elements, right? That's why those are sparingly soluble in water. And third statement, see here, noble gases have very high melting and boiling points. Is it correct statement? No, because they are having low melting point and low boiling point, because noble gases, that, like for example, if you take helium, these helium atoms have very weak van der Waals force of attractions. As they are having weak force of attraction, they can be broken down very easily. They can have very low boiling point and also low melting point. They can easily melt and easily boil at very low temperatures because of weak force of attractions. So all the noble gas elements are having weak force of attractions between them, weak van der Waals force of attractions. Because of weak van der Waals force of attraction, they can be easily melted and easily boiled. That's why their boiling point and melting point are very, very less. So the given statement is given in the opposite manner. That's why this is an incorrect statement and correct option, because he is asking incorrect statement, right? So this is from P block elements chapter, very important. P block, particularly 18th group. 18th group elements is a very small chapter actually. You can finish within 10-15 minutes, but you may get question from it. Okay, so that's why don't neglect the 18th group element. So you can finish it very fast. That's why it is very important also. And next, coming to the second question. Which one of the following polymer is prepared by addition polymerization? This is the chapter polymers chapter, and he is asking the polymerization technique involved in the given polymers. So here we have Dacron, nylon and Novolac. Dacron, nylon, Novolac. All these polymers are formed by the condensation polymerization of their monomers. These polymers are having some monomers. Their monomers got condensed and we will be getting polymer, and the type of polymerization called as condensation polymerization. So here the polymerization that we got is condensation polymerization, right? But Teflon is addition polymer. Teflon means tetrafluoroethylene. Actually the monomer is CF2 N moles, undergo polymerization. This will come here. So that CF2 single bond, CF2, take an N. This is tetrafluoroethylene, which is also called as Teflon, which is addition, because addition took place here. Between one CF2 and another CF2, there is a bond formed by breaking the pi bond. So this is addition polymer. Teflon is addition polymer. Remember, type of polymerization you have to remember here. Dacron, nylon 6,6, Novolac are condensation polymerization. Okay. Next, coming to the match the following. So this is This particular question is from the chemical bonding chapter. Very important chapter. You will be getting 3 to 4 questions this year, because sometimes the question number may be increased from 4 to 5 also, because we have a lot of chapters deleted this time, right? So PCl5, phosphorus undergoes what hybridization? sp3d. sp3d hybridization with 0 lone pairs is having what shape? What shape? Its shape is trigonal bipyramidal. PCl5 A4, right? This is 4. A4, which option you have? Option 1 and option 2 you have. SF6 is sp3d2. sp3d2 with 0 lone pairs. This is sp3d2 with 0 lone pairs. What is its structure? Octahedral. A4B3, both 1 and 2, A4B3, both are same. BRF5 is T shape. Sorry, BRF5 is square pyramidal shape, right? Square pyramidal. A4B3 and C1, option 2. BRF5 is actually what hybridization? This is 5 bond pairs, 1 lone pair, 6 totally. That's why it is sp3d2 hybridization with 1 lone pair. This is sp3d2 with 1 lone pair, and it will be like this: Br, F, and F square. This is right, and one more F. Here it is pyramid shape, and this is the lone pair. sp3d2 with 0 lone pairs is octahedral shape. sp3d2 with 1 lone pair is square pyramidal. And BF3 is sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means square trigonal planar. So the option 2 is correct. Option 2. Very important: hybridization, structures, geometry. Next, for irreversible expansion of an ideal gas under isothermal condition, the correct option is irreversible expansion of an ideal gas for isothermal process. The correct option is irreversible expansion means ideal gas under isothermal condition. Isothermal means delta T is equals to 0. If delta T is equals to 0, one thing delta E, or else we can call it as delta U, is also equals to 0. Is it or not? Delta T is equals to 0, delta U is equals to, because change in the temperature is 0, means change in internal energy is also 0, right? So delta U is equals to 0, you have option 2 and option 4. But it is a what process? Irreversible process, right? Irreversible process, delta S is not equals to 0. But if it is a reversible process, delta S is equal to 0. But irreversible process means delta S not equals to 0. That is option 4, right? And next, coming to the next question. This previous question is from which chapter? This question, thermodynamics chapter, right? The previous question is from thermodynamics chapter. Thermodynamics, right? And next question, see, this question is again from coordination compounds or complex compounds. Very important. In 2023 only you got 3 questions from the complex compounds. Very important chapter. He is asking us to find out the magnetic moment values. So how can you find out the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment mu is equals to under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magnetons. Here what do you mean by n? N is the number of unpaired electrons, right? N is the number of unpaired electrons. Okay. So you calculate unpaired electrons in Fe. Fe, what is the oxidation state Fe here? +3. Fe +3 means, see carefully, Fe +3. Fe is actually 26, 4s2, 3d6. Fe +3 will be 4s0, 3d5. And Cn is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligands means electrons will get paired up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So unpaired electrons you got is 1. Fe plus 2 is Fe plus 3, 1 unpaired electron means if you put here 1 into 1 plus 2 under root 1 into 1 plus 2 you will be getting is 1.93 Bohr magneton Fe plus 2. So, here it is Fe plus 3, right, this is Fe plus 3. Here H2O take 3 plus 3, Fe plus 3 again, Fe plus 3 again is, yes, A is 4, B, here Fe. Oxidation state of Fe will be how much here? 0. This 3 plus is not there here. Fe is 0. 0 means 5 unpaired electrons. So, 5 unpaired electrons means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not paired. H2O is a weak field ligand. Weak field ligand means not paired. Not paired means Fe plus 3 here 5. 5 means 5.92 Bohr magnetons. So, 2 is 1. FeCN6 4 minus. FeCN6 4 minus means Fe is in plus 2 oxidation state, plus 2 oxidation state 4s0, 3d6. 3d6 means Cn is a strong field ligand. So, all electrons are paired, no unpaired electron 0. 0 into 0 plus 2 is 0. So, it is 2 and the D is 4th one. So, option which option is correct? First option is correct. Okay. And next coming to the product formed in the following chemical reaction is. So, here in this reaction, this is actually from carboxylic acids. In this reaction what he has given is sodium borohydrate NaBH4. Sodium borohydrate, what it will do is very simple thing, it will convert sodium borohydrate, it will convert carbonyl group into alcoholic group. C double bond O will become COH. It is a reducing agent. Sodium borohydrate is a reducing agent. If you can see the options, C double bond O should be converted into COH, that is it. Here in the first option it is given COH, second option also it is given in COH. But second option they have also reduced this C double bond OH also. It can reduce only one carbonyl group, that is this carbonyl group. So, the first option is the correct one. Next, CH3 CH2 COO Na plus NaOH give rise to CH3 plus Na2CO3. This is particular reaction is called as soda-lime decarboxylation. This reaction is called as soda-lime decarboxylation reaction. Soda-lime decarboxylation. In this reaction, the reagent will be NaOH plus CaO. NaOH plus CaO. So, option 4. NaOH plus CaO. And next question. Which of the following molecule is non-polar molecule? Here NO2 is a polar molecule. POCl3 is also polar molecule. CH2O, C double bond OH is also polar molecule. The non-polar molecule is SbCl5. SbCl5, its structure is trigonal like this. So, its vector moment is cancelled with each other. So, this 2 will go in this direction, this will be coming in. Its vector moment is cancelled, and one more 2 chlorines are there, 2 more chlorines are there here, chlorine here, chlorine here. Its vector moment is also cancelled. One is top, one other is bottom. So, net vector moment of this molecule is 0. So, that its dipole moment is also 0. But when coming to this one, its net vector moment is in this direction, both are going in the same direction. So, net vector moment is not equal to 0, dipole moment is also not equal to 0. Here POCl3 also same, here this in this direction, this will be in the opposite, but different atoms. Net vector momentum is not equal to 0, dipole moment also not equals to 0. Not equals to 0. dipole moment also not equals to 0. In this also it will be like this, but different atoms. So, net vector moment not equals 0, dipole moment also not equals to 0. Okay. So, 8th question, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, coming to the 9th question. This one, acid rain. Acid rains, SO2 plus O2 give rise to SO3. SO2 plus O2 give rise to 2SO3. This reaction occur in the troposphere because SO2 produced by the automobiles like vehicles like cars and buses combines with the oxygen in the troposphere and convert into SO3. This will happen in the troposphere. And second one, HOCl gas, that is OH plus Cl converts into HOCl. So, this chlorine gas is actually used for the depletion of the ozone layer. So, it is depletion of ozone layer, 2 is 3, B is 3, CaCO3, H2SO4, CaSO4 plus H2O CO2. This is acid rain. This reaction is nothing but acid rain. Calcium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid and dropped as H2O and CO2, acid rain. And the last one is, first one is troposphere, and the last one is NO2 give rise to NO plus oxygen, nascent oxygen it will give. This is called as smog. This reaction represents the smog. So, this fourth option is the correct one. Here the fourth option is the correct one. Choose the correct option for the total pressure in a mixture of 4 grams of O2 and 2 grams of H2 confined in a total volume of 1 liter at 0 degree centigrade. So, correct option for the pressure in a mixture of 4 grams of O2, 2 grams of H2. So, generally total pressure P total is equals to mole fraction partial pressure plus mole fraction of A. P total is equals to partial pressure of B into mole fraction of P. P total pressure by P total pressure is equals to XA by XB, that is equals to 0.82 by 0.82 by 4 into 2 by 0.8. So, solve this equation, you will get the answer as 2.062. So, the correct option for the total pressure is 2.062. Okay. And question number 11, from the following pairs of ion, which one of the following is not an isoelectronic pair? Isoelectronic pair means what? This question is from atomic structure. Isoelectronic pair means pair of species which are having same number of electrons. So, pair of species having same number of electrons. Pair of species having same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic species. Okay. So, Fe plus 2 and Mn plus 2, you can see Fe plus 2 means Fe is 26 plus 2 means 24 electrons. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, manganese, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Manganese 25, actually it is 25, it is 26, 2 electrons lost means 24, 25, 2 electrons lost means 23. So, this is not a isoelectronic pair. You see O2 minus F minus, same electrons it will be having. oxygen 2 minus and fluorine minus. Oxygen 2 minus means oxygen is actually 8, 2 minus means plus 2, 10. Fluorine is actually 9, 1 minus means plus 1, 10. Negative charge means you have to add electrons, positive charge means you have to subtract electrons. This is an isoelectronic pair. Not isoelectronic is Fe2 plus and Mn plus 2. And you can see this Na plus and Mg plus 2. Na is actually 11, Mg is actually 12. Plus means minus 1, 10. 12 means plus 2 means minus 2, 10 again. This is also isoelectronic pair. And finally see Mn plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Mn is actually how much? 25. Fe is 26. 25 plus 2 means minus 2, this one will be 23 you will be getting. Fe plus 3, actually 26 atomic number, and plus 3 means you will be getting again 23. This is also isoelectronic pair. All are isoelectronic pair except first option. So, is asking not isoelectronic pair, that is first option only. And the last question in this chapter we are going to discuss, in this session we are going to discuss this one. The intermediate compound X formed in the following reaction is. So, what will be the intermediate compound here? Benzene, CH3, chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2, in presence of carbon disulfide. It will be reacting with it and forming CHO, CrOHCl2, CrOHCl2. This is an intermediate compound formed here. This upon reaction with water, you will be getting benzaldehyde, C double bond O H. Okay, this is the reaction here, and the intermediate compound formed is this one. That is second option. Intermediate compound formed here, it is second option. Got it? So, with this we have finished these 12 questions in this session. Okay, we are going to continue the 12 more questions in the next session. Thank you very much.